How to remove page numbers from certain pages in Word. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first thing you want to do is open up Microsoft Word. Then you want to open the document in which you want to remove the page numbers from certain pages. Now you want to click on the Insert tab and head over to Header and Footer. Here select page number and you want to select where you want your page number to be. Once that is done, you want to exit out of Header and Footer. Next thing you want to do is go and choose where you want the page numbers to either go and stop or start. So in this case, I want to go and start on page number 2. So go ahead and place your cursor before any content. Then go to the top and click on layout. Now click on breaks and go and click on continuous. Now what you need to do is come to the next point where you want the page numbers to be or not to be. Place your cursor before any content on the page and click on the layout. Then click on breaks and click on continuous. Now just keep repeating this. Once that is done, you want to double click on the page number to open the header and footer again. Here you want to click on link to previous option once to unlink that. Now go ahead and repeat that for each one. Once that is done, you can now choose where you want to remove the page number. So go ahead and remove the page number in the certain pages. After that is done, click on the cross icon to close header and footer, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.